Let's continue iterative statements. In that, let's continue while statement. While iterative statement. So we seen for is specially designed for iterating collection data types. So other than that, if you want to iterate any values, we go with while loop type. We can use while loop for iterating, but you need to write initialization, condition, increment and decrement logic. So other than that collection framework or collection of data, if any other case, if you want to repeat statements continuously or multiple times until condition become false, then we go for while loop. Let's say my requirement is I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. Then here I am using while loop. I am using while loop. In this while loop, first what I am doing, while loop we write a condition. Then before condition, I am using initialization logic. Then I am writing condition. Then I am printing value of 5. I value is 1. Then I am incrementing I value, I plus 1. Then I value become 2. Then I am checking 2 less than or equal to 10. Yes, I am printing 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3. I am incrementing I value 3. Then 3 less than or equal to 10. Yes, we are printing. Then we are incrementing I value 4. Then we are printing 4. Like this, we are printing all values 10, 10, 10, 10 become 11. Then it checks 11 less than or equal to 10. No, control comes out of while loop. Okay, let me execute this program. You can see 1 to 10. Yeah. Can we do same thing? Can we achieve same thing using for loop? Yes, we can. For that, we take help of range function. We take help of range function. So range function generates 1 to 10. So 1 is included, 11 is excluded. It will generate values 1 to 10. Then this generate a value. Then it will iterate value by value, value by value. Then we get 1 to 10. Let me execute this program, see the output. So collection also we can navigate using while loop. Only problem is we have to write initialization logic, we have to write condition logic, then we have to write increment or decrement logic. Then it will navigate collection. So instead of writing these kind of multiple statements, we recommend for loop for printing collection or navigating collection. Next requirement. So we want to print 1 to 10 numbers in reverse order. So we taken I value equal to 10, I greater than or equal to 1, then we printed I value, I minus 1. I value become 9. Again it will check. So we printed 10 to 1. So in this requirement, we cannot implement using for loop because range function generate values 1 to 10, but not 10 to 1. So if a collection of values are not generated, then we cannot implement using for loop. So collection framework specially designed for iterating or navigating collection of values. For any other purpose, we go while loop in Python.